Kitchen appliances play a vital role in our everyday lives. Thanks to modern technology, we can prepare food with great ease. Because of these kitchen innovations, we save time, money, and energy. One of the most useful kitchen devices is the very popular hand blender. In choosing the right hand blender available, we did our share of diligence and came up with the 5 best hand blenders in the market today. If you think that any of the products are worth taking a second look, feel free to click on the link below to get the best deal. Without further ado, let's move ahead and start our list. Our very first product is the KitchenAid KHB 2351CU 3-speed hand blender in a very sleek contour silver color. Now this comes in handy if you want to make many culinary creations in a fast and easy way. With this hand blender, you can whisk, chop, puree, crush, and so much more. Simply choose the appropriate speed. The KitchenAid KHB 2351CU 3-speed hand blender has a removable 8-inch blending arm locked with a stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade into the motor body for ease of use. You can save a whole lot of time as well because it quickly blends your ingredients for your soup, baby pureed foods, shakes, and smoothies. Its non-slip and comfortably soft grip allows you to mix all the ingredients continuously together without slipping and sliding. When you purchase the KitchenAid KHB 2351CU 3-speed hand blender, it includes a whisk and chopper attachment. Want your white creams and egg whites to fluffy peaks? The whisk attachment of this handy blender will help you achieve that, while the 2.5 cup BPA-free chopper attachment with lid locks to let you chop and crack harder stuff like nuts, cheese, and even cooked meat. For serving or storage, you may use the 3-cup blending jar that comes with a lid. It's also BPA-free. The next item on our list is the OXA Smart Powerful 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender Set, which includes 500 milliliter food chopper, 600 milliliter BPA-free beaker, egg whisk, and splash guard. These accessories and attachments are all designed to make your everyday tasks in the kitchen stress-free. This super light, sleek immersion hand blender is powered by a 300-watt motor, which effortlessly chops, blends, or whisks all kinds of dry, frozen, and wet ingredients. The 6-speed and turbo settings of the OXA Smart Powerful 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender speed up your kitchen duties and help you create homemade recipes with much enthusiasm. Preparing perfect and delicious smoothies every day is also guaranteed by this ultra-efficient hand blender. The ultra-sharp, rust-proof blades of OXA Smart Powerful 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender can pulverize through raw ingredients while a quick pulse motion leaves your food a bit chunky. A splash guard prevents ingredients flying all over the place. This portable machine may be a little small, but I assure you, OXA Smart Powerful 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender can do a multitude of tasks and make your cooking experience convenient. For maximum comfort and secure grip, the handle is rubberized. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Found anything interesting? ReviewTube prides itself on bringing you the best and most comprehensive product reviews and the most affordable deals. You can subscribe to our channel and be one of the most satisfied customers in our rapidly growing community. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Securing the number 3 spot is the Mueller Ultra Stick 500-watt 9-speed powerful immersion multi-purpose hand blender. This beauty is backed up with European quality and American guarantee of 100% 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Built with a vision to outperform and outlast other brands, Mueller's Ultra Stick 500-watt 9-speed powerful immersion multi-purpose hand blender has a 500-watt pure copper motor that withstands continuous use. The durable engine lasts up to 3 times longer than competitors' motors, so you can blend happily ever after purchasing one. There are 9 speed settings which help you easily control the quality of your puree, smoothies, shakes, and other recipes. And with this versatile, compact hand machine, you can make anything that you want: pesto, salsa, sauces, whipped cream, cakes, soups, Indian dishes, cocktails, pancake batter. Mueller's Ultra Stick 500-watt 9-speed powerful immersion multi-purpose hand blender also makes vegetable chopping and crushing frozen drinks effortless, thanks to its durable stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade. The ergonomic grip handle design prevents slips during continuous blending tasks. Adding to this excellent functionality is the dishwasher-free removable blending arm that can reach deep and easily twist off for quick cleaning. Mueller's Ultra Stick 500-watt 9-speed powerful immersion multi-purpose hand blender comes with a 20-ounce BPA-free blending cup and whisk. Did we miss anything? In case you're interested in a product that's not yet been reviewed in our playlist, feel free to write down your comments so that we can make it happen. We make this video with you in mind, so your comments and suggestions are very important to us. Cuisinart's CSB79 Smart Stick 2-speed hand blender deserves the 4th spot on our list. You want to know why? Because chopping, grinding, whipping, blending, and making purees can now be done with ease, all thanks to this astounding 2-speed control Cuisinart Smart Stick. The Cuisinart CSB79 Smart Stick hand blender includes whisking, blending, and chopping, or a grinder attachment. Of course, a power cord too. The stylish brushed stainless steel blender has a one-touch operation where you can use it with just one hand. How convenient is that? Nevertheless, it blends your ingredients just right into the pan, pitcher, or bowl. You can opt for a continuous or pulse action in its low or high push-button control, which is powered by a 200-watt motor. If you do not have anything to measure in the ingredients, the Cuisinart CSB79 Smart Stick hand blender has a 16-ounce mixing and measuring beaker. Also, it's easy to clean. Just rinse the prep bowl blade and cover with water so that the ingredients won't dry on the said parts. Other components, such as the whisk head, grinding bowl, blending shaft, and mixing cup, are dishwasher safe. The package includes an instruction manual and recipe booklet. If you like this video and you feel like helping us, you can do more. We've launched a Patreon campaign where you can support us and build the backbone of how we continue to create free review videos for you. We've left a link of our Patreon page in the description below, where we've explained everything, so please consider checking it out. Last but not least is the Breville BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. It features a revolutionary shape that has internal ribbing to reduce suction for greater control and efficient blending. The blender is also equipped with a powerful 280-watt motor to produce adequate power to the blades. The Breville BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender has a unique pistol-like control grip with trigger operation. It has a multi-purpose immersion blender that can whisk, blend, and chop. The whisk attachments work best in whisking creams and egg whites, while the blending shaft is helpful in making baby food and soup. Chop herbs, nuts, and meats in less than a minute because this control grip immersion blender has a chopping bowl with stainless steel chopping blades. This fantastic blender also features a stainless shaft, which especially makes a soft base that prevents scratching posts. Another great feature of this control grip immersion blender includes a 25-ounce chopper bowl and a 42-ounce extra-large jug that has a storage lid and an anti-slip mat. The 8-inch immersion depth is useful in blending larger sizes or more massive amounts of food in a deeper bowl. What's more, it also comes with a 15-speed setting. Cleaning after use is also easy with Breville's BSB 510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. Other than the chopping blade, whisk, gear, and motor, the other parts are safe to wash either by hand or dishwasher. That concludes the 5 best hand blenders. In case you found any of them interesting, just click away on the link below and get them at the most affordable prices. Before you shop, please click on the subscription button as well as the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming reviews. Comments and suggestions are highly appreciated, so don't hesitate to comment below if there's any product you want us to research for you. Thank you for watching. See you on our next product review.